Welcome to SciENcv, Managing Your My Bibliography. Today we are going to walk you through how to set up and manage your My Bibliography on your NCBI dashboard. Your My Bibliography is your important first step in being able to add publications and products to your biosketches in SciENcv. Your My Bibliography is accessible on your NCBI dashboard. It can also be accessed by clicking on the top right link of the page where you can access your account. Under My Bibliography, you can view how many items are in your database, you can share your bibliography with a URL, and you can also view any bibliographies of which you are a delegate. Now, click on Manage My Bibliography. By clicking on Manage My Bibliography, it will take you to this landing page. You can see a menu bar to manage and add citations, as well as the ability to toggle between your bibliography and delegated bibliographies. At the numeral 1, this drop-down shows the options on how to manage citations in your My Bibliography. You can export, set to public or private, and you can also copy to your collections, which are accessible on your dashboard. At the numeral 2, you can add citations through PubMed, RIS files, and manually. We will walk you through these options shortly. At the numeral 3, you can filter your citations by either public or private. When you view your citations in My Bibliography, on the right side of the screen next to each publication, you will find the option to edit the citations after it has been added. For your citations that you will be using with NIH, you will want to add from PubMed and make sure the status box is green. Green will signify in compliance with public access. You will also find an option to link datasets and to add NIH awards information. To add NIH awards information, click on Add Award. To add the award, this menu will allow you to search and add awards, as well as choose the NIH awards to assign to your publication. If your publication is not in compliance with public access, you will receive a red box and will have to fix this before it can be added or linked to any of your SciENcv documents. Now, back to adding citations. As mentioned earlier, you can add your citations by PubMed, a RIS file, or manually. To add by PubMed, you simply search PubMed by the PMC identifier, or you can search by text, such as entering the title. You then choose from the publications that result from the query and click Add to My Bibliography. To add from a file, you will utilize a RIS file. RIS files are those downloaded from reference management software systems such as EndNote, Mendeley, RefWorks, Zotero, just to name a few. Citations can also be downloaded individually from online sources like individual journal articles, Google Scholar, and Web of Science when they are downloaded as RIS files. For Google Scholar, you must select the RefMan download option. Now to add citations manually. This form is built on logic. The required fields will change with the type of citation you choose to create. You can choose from journal article that does not appear in PubMed, books and chapters, meeting abstracts, presentations, patents, dataset or database, software, preprint, or other, a non-standard citation. In order to add a delegate for your My Bibliography, you will go to the top right link to access your account. From this menu, choose Account Settings. In your account settings, view and set up your delegates. Click on Add Delegate, then add their email and set permissions for My Bibliography. Then click on Add, and it will send them an email invitation to accept your delegate request. They must confirm through the link sent in the email invitation before they are connected to your My Bibliography as your delegate. Thank you for joining us today in learning how to manage My Bibliography in SciENcv. We invite you to check out our other short YouTube clips on managing your SciENcv on our University of South Carolina Research Training and Education YouTube channel at USC Research Training-Education.